Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you'll be speaking Mandarin just like a native. A while back in one of the sessions with Emma, we talked about directional complements. In today's video, we will take a close look at extended meanings of 6 compound directional complements. These idiomatic meanings have nothing to do with direction of an action. These 6 complements are 起来, 上去, 上来, 下去, 下来, and 出来. First one up, 起来. When 起来 is used after a verb or an adjective, it can indicate the start and the continuation of an action, or the forming and developing of a certain state. 冬天到了，天气冷起来了。Winter is here and the weather is getting colder. 起来 can also express the idea of dispersed people or things coming together. 桌子上的书都收起来了。The books on the table are all put away. At last, 起来 can express the meaning of when. 说起来容易，做起来难。Easy to say, hard to do. 这个电脑用起来非常简单。This computer is very simple to use. Second one, 上去. When 上去 is used after a verb, it expresses the idea of looking from afar, moving from near to afar, or adding to something. 这个手机看上去很贵。This phone looks expensive. 我们把情况给领导汇报上去了。We reported the situation to the management. 这2条建议都加上去。Both of these suggestions are added. Third one, 上来. When 上来 is used after a verb, it indicates having the ability to do something. 他问的问题我答上来了。I answered the question he asked. Next one, 下去. When 下去 is used after a verb, it means the continuation of the action. 我要把这个好的习惯坚持下去。I want to stick to this good habit. 他们明年还要在中国继续学习下去。They will continue to study in China next year. Fifth one, 下来. When 下来 is used after a verb or an adjective, it can express a change from an active state to a static state, or from brightness into darkness. 天黑下来了 It's getting dark. 汽车慢慢地停下来了 The car stopped slowly. It can also express the meaning of things being fixed or being remained at a certain place in order not to be forgotten. 请把你的地址和联系方式写下来 Please write down your address and contact information. 老师上课讲的我都记下来了 I wrote down what the teacher said in class. At last, 下来 can express the process of moving in time from the past to the present, or from the beginning to end. 这个故事是从唐朝流传下来的 This story has been passed down from the Tang Dynasty. 学习英语的同学们都坚持下来了 The students who are learning English have persisted. The last one, 出来. When 出来 is used after a verb, it can express something coming into existence as a result of the verb action. 那个字他写出来了 He wrote out that word. 他的不满都表达出来了 Her dissatisfaction was expressed. It can also express the identification of a person or something. 妈妈听出我的声音来了Mom recognized my voice. 他的病检查出来了 His illness was diagnosed. Obviously, the object needs to be inserted between 出 and 来. I hope this video has given you a good overview of these extended meanings. The best way is to remember some examples of sentences and then try to use them when the right language scenarios come up. Little by little, day by day, they will become less unfamiliar to you. Like always, feel free to send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com whenever you have questions. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.